come with me to my first dentist appointment. Yes, I know, as a grown-ass person, I was supposed to be going to the dentist often, but I've never been, and this is my first time. Today I'm just going to get a scan done, and yet I'm so nervous. But just as I booked my bike to go get my scan done, the rain came, and I cannot cancel the bike because I need to be there in half an hour and the traffic is crazy now, so just gonna have to take the bike. I'm gonna go buy a raincoat, so come with me. Okay, I'm in this little convenience store and they have it like right here. Perfect. Raincoats. I really want a pink one. I don't know if this is for kids or not, but I'm so good. It probably fit me. Okay. Sawadika. For adults? Okay. Oh, for babies? Babies. Oh, for babies. Okay. Grown up? Okay, for that. กี่บาท43 บาท Okay, got it. 150 บาท ขอบคุณค่ะ Okay, I'm not mad at it. It's very cute. It kind of goes with my skirt, and I look kind of like, don't I look so Dubai bling? But the sun is starting to come out now, so it's like hot and rain. It's like monkey and baboon getting married. I think my Grab driver is here, so I'm just gonna go check on that and tell him I'll be the one in pink. Okay, I'm on the bike in the rain, but it's so pretty and so sunny. I hope you can hear me. Look how beautiful. Oh no. I think this is what the strings are for. I'll tune in when I get to the dentist. This is actually really nice weather. It's kind of cute. I am loving my pink thingy. My pink raincoat is protecting me, and it's kind of an outfit right now. So yeah. I'm going past this restaurant called Anka, and one, I'm wet, and two, I just keep thinking of Davion because Davion was teaching me how to say that in Vietnamese like 50,000 times, and I don't think I got it right yet. Anka. So yeah, if you know Vietnamese, teach me, okay? It's no longer raining, but this has happened. My makeup is still holding, so that's a great thing. But yeah, I will always remember this as my first dentist appointment, that I traveled in the rain with a raincoat. It's like how our parents used to tell us how they used to go to school. Apparently they used to cross mountains and rivers and lakes, so I'm going to use this for my kids. Back in my day, we used to go to the dentist like this. I arrived, and I look like a wet dog, but it's okay. Kind of giving Shakira, but I need to take this off, and I am going to go inside. I don't even know how to. I don't know. Get undressed with me. Whew, okay. I feel like the rain kind of gave me a hairdo, but yeah. So The dentist that I'm going to is called Belix Dental Care. It's a really nice place, I've heard, and I got referred to go here by a friend of mine, and I'm excited. She said that they're very gentle and they're very caring, which is exactly what I need because it's my first time. I think I'm having issues with my wisdoms, so that's my reason to go. And on another note, if you are traveling in the rain in Thailand, please note that you can find yourself a raincoat or a rain jacket in any 7-Eleven or Lawson's or any convenience store, because I think they just prep you for the rain all the time. But yeah, this is the place and I'm here. Gonna go up and show ya. I am so impressed. From the moment I walked into the door, I felt so comfortable and so safe. And the first thing they said to me is, oh, we have a no pain policy here. That's the best thing you could possibly hear. And look what they gave to me. This is so sweet. Okay, it's time to rinse. Everything?
That's a focus on your demand range.
Okay.
More. Okay, and I would like to offer to show you with a like very newest technology in Czech.
I've already been having a great time, so.
It had an event in your mouth because it's going to flash.
Okay.
It will take 5 minutes for the lower teeth, 5 minutes for the upper teeth. It open. We are the only one clinic in Bangkok right now, in Thailand right now, that use this technology to for the oral examination. Open please. This is your outside, and this is inside. So beautiful. How come?
My hands.
Different person. But it's a good news.
Okay, I just did my scan, and now I'm going to get another X-ray done. So, yay! And there's my scan with my piercing. Oh, that's my face.
Okay, let's have a look. This is the panoramic X-ray. It's like a group photo, so you can see all of your teeth in a group picture like this.
Okay, I'm actually gonna get cleaning done today. It's gonna be my first. I got the report back on my teeth. Everything is a-okay. It's 95% good teeth. But if I want it to be perfect, I'm gonna need some braces. But I don't know if I'm up for that. But yeah, I just need a little filling here and there, and of course to remove my wisdoms that I impacted, and is probably the reason why I get headaches all the time. But yeah, let's go get my teeth cleaned.
So the purple, the violet color gonna stay for the dental plaque. That stays for longer than 2 months. So wherever it stays, that means you miss it for too long, and it's not good because the bacteria that stay for that long will destroy your teeth. Before cleaning by scaling, so you will have like remove the bacteria, the violet and bacteria on the tooth surface first.
I just got my cleaning done. My teeth feel so clean and my pearly whites are definitely showing. Yeah, it's been a day. I'm gonna finish my video here because I need to go home. I'm really tired and look at my gums, they're so red, but it's normal. She said the bleeding will stop eventually. But yeah, it was a good experience. Like if you're ever in Thailand or if you need to get your teeth done or whatever the case be, like come here. It's amazing. I would highly recommend it because I mean for my first time I felt so comfortable and so safe and so taken care of, and I think that's exactly what you need for dentists or anything in like the medical field. So see ya.